Have you ever found yourself longing for a break, a journey to a place of pure tranquility? Well, less than an hour from Nairobi, Kenya, lies a hidden gem, a serene escape tucked away in the lush green hills of Tigoni near Limuru. Now, welcome to this video and welcome to Serenity. In this video, we'll take you on a captivating journey through this cabin resort. Stay with us until the very end, where we'll hop onto one of the golf carts for an exciting ride around the entire property. Tigoni is known for its rolling tea farms and cool climate, and people usually say that it's quite chilly. Well, I found the place quite cozy, warm and inviting, such a perfect balance of rustic charm and comfort. As we watch the photos and videos, you'll see just how snug and welcoming these cabins actually are. Now, this stunning property is part of the Superior Hotels of Kenya, a group that also owns Lake Naivasha Resort, Masada Hotel, and several other remarkable hotels. It's clear that this resort is gonna be a contender for Kenya's Hotel of the Year in this year of 2025. We visited this resort at the beginning of February, before its official opening, but as you watch this video, it's fully functional. You can be able to stay, check it out, go for lunch, go for fishing, for a boat ride. There's so many things here to see, and I'll show you all of them, including taking you on a tour of a 3-bedroom cottage. But first, let me show you this room where we spent our night. This is just a standard, charming 1-bedroom, not really 1-bedroom, just a standard cottage or cabin, and it's really nice. As you can see, this is a double bed, comfortably sleeps 2 people. They can be separated into what we call in the industry a twin room. I think it's big enough that it can be a triple room, but there are all manner of accommodation facilities to take care of your needs. And just hang around as we tour this place and you'll see just what a charming place the Ridge Cabin Resort is. For lovers of nature, this is paradise. If you long for that crisp air inside your lungs and to just breathe in and enjoy nature in its glorious form, this hotel used actually to be a tea farm. So I think I'll invite you to walk with me as I woke up feeling hungry and just wondering, what am I gonna eat? So here I am going over to the restaurant that's near a dam located on that side, and you have rooms all over the place, amazing flowers, the sky looks beautiful, hydrangea flowers, all manner of beautiful flowers, and it's just a really nice place to be at, to chill for a night or two with family, friends. And you know, this place is a tea growing area. You can see the tea farms over there. They're all over the vicinity of this place. Amazing place. As a coffee lover myself, there's no way I could miss the charm of, Kenyan tea. But breakfast was not just tea. The spread was amazing, as you can see, anything that you can think about. And this was actually a temporary restaurant. This is more of a sunset lounge, I think they call it. So the restaurant was still being done, its final touches, but we really enjoyed ourselves. And the thing is, the expansive grounds that they have here are not only welcoming, but they can host an event, team building. I'll get to, corporate packages later, but even a wedding or something else that you can think of. It's really expansive. It's really nice. I think it's a place that one can consider, even as a destination for, such personal events. Grilled meat over there, you see that guy? I'll come back to him. the day came to an end, it was time to sample the sumptuous nyama choma that the guy had prepared. Call it a night. Tomorrow morning, I'll take you on that tour, I promise, of a 3-bedroom cottage that can fit loads of people. It's got some crazy amenities. So let's first eat, but then I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Here we are, nyumba ya mbao. Kukaa kwa nyumba ya mbao, si kutupa mbao. I think the blend of rustic elegance in this contemporary design sets this place apart completely. For me, what immediately stands out is the use of wood as the main building material. The warm wooden interiors create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. You know, the kind that makes you feel at home the moment you step inside. And it's not just about the aesthetics. The natural grain of the wood, the soft earthy tones, and the subtle scents of the timber all work together to wrap the space in this comforting embrace, making every corner feel both serene and sophisticated. Each of these 3 bedrooms is thoroughly crafted for privacy and relaxation, complete with its own sleek washroom and spacious shower area. The master bedroom, just wait for that one. But anyway, you know, those quiet evenings that you just wanna laze around, watch the TV, those early mornings where you just look outside and you can see the fresh dew grass. This is what this place is all about. And this place really feels like a dream. The peaceful mornings you can imagine, mist rolling over the tea fields, golden sunrises from your patio, soft whispers of nature all around. Whether you're planning for a family getaway, a romantic escape, or even you're a group of friends, a road trip over the weekend, from Nai to Limuru, this 3-bedroom cottage at Ridge Cabin Resort offers more than just a stay. It's an experience of comfort, serenity, and style. So, talk to us. Let's book you to come and stay over in this amazing place. The sister hotel in Naivasha is renowned as a world-class facility in MICE services. Now, this place also offers exceptional conferencing facilities, blending modern amenities with the serene charm of a former tea farm. Whether you're hosting meetings, workshops, or corporate events, the tranquil setting at Ridge Cabin Resort provides the perfect atmosphere for focus and collaboration. Not only that, but you can rejuvenate yourself in between meetings with a healthy snack or spend time gazing at the resident koi fish. Let's switch gears quite literally as we hop onto a golf cart for a scenic drive through this beautiful property. Now, would you like to join us or book another getaway somewhere else? Kindly fill out the Google form that will be pinned on the comments or call us on the number that is displayed on your screen. If you enjoyed this review and want to experience more hidden gems across Kenya, from stunning hotels to must-visit attractions, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support helps us in bringing you authentic, first-hand travel experiences. And hey, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite Kenyan destination or place you'd like us to explore next. Who knows, your suggestion could be where we actually go next. And from us today is bye-bye. See you on the next one.